Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to use Flutterwave. So you can use it on a web browser or you can download it on your mobile devices. So when you come to Flutterwave, I'll leave a link in the description where you can sign up. So right here on Flutterwave you have sign up, pricing, resources, checkout, solutions. So it's a fintech company that offers a variety of services. So they accept payments, so you can receive payments into your account, or you can send out payments to other accounts. So they've got the payment methods: debit and credit cards, mobile money, M-Pesa, bank transfer, USSD, Visa, QR, POS, and bank account. So they also issue virtual credit cards and MasterCards for Visa. Then their safety is 100% guaranteed. You will never lose them. You will never lose your money, and money cannot disappear from your account without any notice. So these are some of the companies that they support or work with. You can see like Uber, Fireware, Fiber, Butter, and the rest of them you can see for them later. So the countries that Flutterwave supports are these: Cameroon, Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania, United States, Ghana, Malawi, Rwanda, Zambia, South Africa, Uganda, Mauritius, South Africa, the UK. So these are the countries that Flutterwave currently offer their services in, and I'm sure in the coming months a lot more of the countries will be involved. So we'll sign up. So we'll go to create an account. This may take a little bit of time because of the network. Okay, so here we go. So our first name, you put your details there, the country you're from, trading name, say just Arnold, and how did you know about us, friend, and then when you go to get started, you'll be taken to the email. So once you're done, this is your dashboard. So you can see my business name is just Arnold, my trade name, then you have the documentation to read more about Flutterwave. So this is where you're going to see your available balance, your ledger balance, then some few analytics, where your customers come from, when they make payments, who are your biggest customers, what banks do they normally use, what payment options do your customers use, is it mobile money, is it the bank or M-Pesa. All the details will be shown here when payments are made to you. So this is your wallet, the e-wallet under Flutterwave. Then we have transactions, all the transactions done since I last created it. So you won't see much. You can have refunds, can send back the money to your clients or customers. Then you have the customers, you can block some customers, your balance, your history, your settlements. This is very useful. Then you have your ledger balance, available balance here, and your bank account details. Then we have your transfers. If you want to make a transfer, you can see the currencies: Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, Tanzania, South Africa, UK, British pound. So you can create a sub account. You have cards. So the cards can create a virtual account. So you can create a virtual card. So let's click on create a card. The name, whether in Nigeria or in USD. So that's USD since you're making online payments. And how much you want? Let's say $10. Choose a balance. Let's leave it the way it is. General card. Facebook. So if it's a Facebook card, only be used on Facebook for, let's say, sponsoring your post on your page. So general card can make payments on Netflix, Amazon, or any online payment site. Then you go to create. It's that easy. You have chargebacks. You can pay for your DSTV and buy airtime. Well, if it's airtime, it's only restricted to these countries. That's Nigeria and Ghana. Then you can pay for DSTV right here. Buy DSTV subscription, so you can either buy single or bulk. Choose your country. So as you can see, it's only restricted to these countries. So if you're in Zambia as well, you won't be able to pay for DSTV or buy airtime. Then you can have your own store. By the way, you can create your own store using Flutterwave. So you can come and add the product here. There's a Chelsea kit. How much are we selling at? Let's say selling it at 400. Then the word, you can, if you are selling a number of them, you can say 4 or 5. Then this is the new Chelsea kit. Category. I need to create a new category. Let's say sport. And save. So sport the category size small and large. Then now we have to choose a picture. I don't have a picture yet. So let me just download one. Just drag it down. Once you're done, you can then save product. So it's been saved. So I can get this. Manage store, you find 10 off shipping. I'll handle my shipping. So it's up to you depending on what you want. And you can put your fees there. So just cancel that. and you can turn off, that's up to you. Then so when I click on this link, to take me to my shirt that I'm selling. Nice, huh? So I can give this link to my friends, share it on Facebook. Then you can choose which one you want, what size you want. Oh yeah, and add to cart. Then I should be able to buy. Place the order, the names, if there's any discount code, that's done. So you can have your own store right here, which is very good for those who sell different things. So that's that on the store. You can also have discount codes right from here. Then we have payment links. So if you want to have a payment link where your friends can send you money, or if your clients want to send you money, you can create a link. So you got to create a link, then you got different categories. So you got single charge, subscription, and donation. So subscription is monthly, yearly, 6 months, however you may want it. And a donation page is for NGOs, donate any amount of money. Then a single charge is where they charge you, or where you charge them once. So I have created one, so I can create one. There's a single charge, and you put your name, the amount you want to charge, then a description of it. And if you want more options, you can check it out. I already have one, so it looks like this. View link. This is how it will look. So name, email. So this is how a donation link will look like. So you can put any amount, let's say 100 kwacha, and they can pay me. Then I'll receive notification telling me this user or customer has paid me an amount, which is very interesting. This is very, very useful for a business. I really recommend this site. And if you want to get the app, you can get the app on Android and iOS. So the payment plan, subscribers, if you have any, you can create a payment plan. You can create invoices. Come to new invoices, your email, the service you're ordering, you're offering. Everything is done here. Really good. Then if you don't want to go online, you want to just test it out, you can use this. And right now you are in testing mode, meaning if you share a link with a friend, it won't work. So that's testing mode. And this is how it will look when you're in testing mode. To literally tell you that you're currently in test mode and your daily limit is 200. So you can use that for testing, and that's the money you use like for testing if you want to buy a product offline. So that's what you use. So you're given a free 200,000 daily just for testing. So we'll get back to online. So when you're online, this is how it looks, shows you alive right there. Then you go to settings. This is where you're going to put your bank account details, your business information. your bank details, users. So you can have different users using this account. For a business and individual, one user is enough. API to use on your websites to receive payments, can use Flutterwave as well. Webhooks. Then you have got account settings. So this is where you can have your account settings handled. If you want to have PayPal payments and receive PayPal payments, you can do all that right here. Card payments right there. If you want to disable it, you can disable it. It shows, but I want card payments, so that will be enabled for me. Bank payments, enable barter payments, can enable that. Mobile money, so you can enable mobile money from different countries. So make sure you enable it to receive money. This is where you have to come on the settings. Then all these are things you can do and check out. So this is how Flutterwave works, and I recommend you try it out. It's really good and very secure. If you check it out and try it for a business, small business, this will really help. If you want to sell few things, you can use a store item. If you want to receive money, you can send a link out to your clients and they can pay you anywhere in Africa and Zambia, those countries that I listed actually. Then you can have multiple businesses, like I do have multiple businesses here, and you can add another business and you are set. So you're not limited to only having one business. So if you want Flutterwave for clothing, you can have your clothing business. If you want it for ebooks, you can use all these different businesses. You're not limited to one. And make sure that you're live. When you want to go live or you want to test, make sure you go on the testing platform. So thank you very much, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and like if you like this content, and I'll send you more videos of the same.